Hey everybody, welcome back, and today we're going to be doing our video breakdown for our Walt Disney World trip coming up in the month of September. So if you guys are new here and you enjoy the content, do me a favor and smash that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Okay, so we have a lot to cover. We're going to get straight into it. If at any point in time you guys get lost, just let me know in the comments down below and I'll reiterate really fast. I'm trying to make this video before I go back to work. Okay, as of the recording of this video, Fantasmic in 8K is actually complete, and we will be having a live premiere on tomorrow night, Thursday night at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. So if you're not exactly sure which time zone it is that you're in, it's pretty simple. Just type in 7 p.m. Central Standard Time and Google to whatever time zone you're in, and it'll tell you what time it starts. So with that being said, next big project we're going to be working on is Enchantment. This video was supposed to come out several months ago, but I accidentally deleted all my Disney World footage from when I went at the beginning of the year to the end of last year. So we didn't really have the opportunity to be able to edit this video and produce it and get it done the way I wanted it to. So now we have recovered all of our footage, which is why we're going to start working on it now. If you guys would like to see how these videos are made and the type of work that goes into producing one of these shows, I'm going to leave a link to my gaming channel, which I'll be streaming on it starting tomorrow night, editing the video from scratch from start to finish. All the process you guys will be able to see. If you guys are interested in that, then you guys can stop on by. Also be streaming it on Twitch as well. So I'll leave both of those channels in the description box below. I don't want to stream it on this channel because I kind of want to keep this channel separate from stuff like that. So we're probably just going to rename the channel like Coaster Outlaw Edits or something. So but that's what we got going on with that there. Our Disney World trip videos, let's get into it. September 1st, we have a travel video at which we will be documenting our trip from Texas all the way to Orlando with a toddler. This is something that's always really good, especially for parents that are first time traveling with their toddler. So we'll share our tips and tricks with you guys on that. September the 2nd, we'll be heading to Magic Kingdom. We will shoot our first angle for Happily Ever After during that point. That'll be great. We have Be Our Guest Restaurant. We'll do a review on that at a later time. Our next day will be September the 4th. We'll be at Disney's Hollywood Studios. We'll be making a vlog for the trip, for the park day that day, and we'll actually be streaming on this channel, Fantasmic. We're not exactly sure how many times we're going to be showing the show. As of right now, there are 2 showings of the show. We're not exactly sure if this is going to keep going into September. Being the fact that September is a low peak time, we're also assuming that there would only be 1 showing during that time. So if it's 2 shows, we'll stream it both times. If it's 1 show, we'll stream it then. September 5th, we'll be heading to Disney's Animal Kingdom, where we'll make a vlog for that day. Then we'll end the night at Polynesian Village watching Happily Ever After from the beach at the Polynesian Village. We will be streaming Happily Ever After on that day from that location, because it's just such an easy location to be able to stream from. Doing it while recording in the parks is complete insanity, especially when you're recording audio. You don't want your voice to come over to the audio. Wednesday, September 6th, we'll be going to Epcot, getting our first angle for Epcot Forever, and doing a vlog for that day. September 7th is our park free day. We'll be spending a day by the pool and stuff like that, so we'll make a vlog for that. And we will end our day in the Magic Kingdom after our early dinner at T-Rex in Disney Springs. We'll be getting a far back angle for Happily Ever After during that time, probably up and down really close to Main Street, USA. So that'll be good there. September 8th, we make our way back to Epcot, and at which point we finalize our video for Epcot Forever. Really simple, straightforward video. 1 angle up close, 1 angle in the back, and then you're done. So that's it. And then we record audio both days, and then that's it. We'll probably try to stream Epcot Forever for you guys. It really just depends on, how everything's working out, service and how everything goes. Epcot service is always really, really bad on my phone for whatever reason. September the 9th, we'll be heading back to Magic Kingdom, doing a vlog for that day, shooting another angle for Happily Ever After. September 10th, back to Disney's Hollywood Studios, streaming Fantasmic at the end of the night, doing a vlog for the trip for that day, as well as doing a couple of other ride POVs. I'm not going to name the ride POVs because it's a lot. It is a lot. September 11th, my friend Mike will be heading to Epcot. Me and Asher will be heading to Magic Kingdom to finalize our Happily Ever After video that night. It'll be mine and his day. We're just the two of us in the parks. So no Tron on that day, unfortunately. And then we end our trip Tuesday, September the 12th with Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. This is always something we like to do. My friend and I, we're going to be tag teaming the video for this show. He's going to be shooting up front. I'm going to be shooting 2 angles with 2 different cameras in the back. So we have a video from that coming out. So firework videos are going to be coming out after our September trip. Are going to be, first it's going to be Mickey's Not So Spooky Spectacular. Second will be Epcot Forever. Third will be Happily Ever After. And then after Happily Ever After will probably more than likely be Minnie's Wonderful Christmas Time Fireworks. We recorded the show last year, but by the time we got home, the Christmas celebration was already over. So that's why we didn't upload the video. Why would you upload a video to a Christmas show that's already out? So we had to wait for almost another year to be able to put it together. The show will be put together and finalized and finished prior to us beginning Happily Ever After. It's probably something we'll do prior to our trip in September, so that way when November rolls around, we can just do a live premiere and bring it up the first day of Minnie's Very Merry Christmas Party. So that's going to do it for this one, man. Like I said, short, sweet, to the point. All of our videos that we're going to be making got a lot of stuff going on. If you guys, like I said, if you guys want to see us create these firework videos and watch all the edit and production, I'm going to leave those 2 channels in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.